I'm here to show you how to use the pivotal access feature on your Gammill quilting frame. Here's how it works. On the side of your machine, you have this front bar here and a pin that's sticking out. And if you put your left hand on the top of this frame piece and just pull and wiggle this pin at the same time, it slides right out, and then as you can see, this whole front section of the frame can swing back and forth. I like to use it for a couple of reasons. First of all, when I'm loading a quilt, I like to keep my batting separate from my quilt top out front. So I tuck my batting in between these two bars here, and then what that does is it keeps my quilt top and my batting separate. So as it feeds up into the machine or into the top of the frame, then those layers are staying nice and smooth together, and I don't have to smooth up my batting near as much. So that's what I love about it. One of the other things that you can do is with this pin out is rock it even more forward so you get even better access in here for smoothing that batting out. It's one of those things where you can kind of find what suits and works for you best, and you have the option to do it or not. When you've got the quilt top advanced and nice and smooth, you can just rock it right back into that slanted position, pop the pin back in, and then you're good to go with your quilting again. The other reason I love to use this pivotal access is I do a lot of ruler work. And when you put your ruler base on your machine, it takes up a little bit of your quilting space inside the frame. So having this front piece that comes out forward, comes towards you a little bit, just kind of compensates a little bit for the extra space that ruler base takes up. So it gives you more workable space. That's what I love about the pivotal access. I hope that if you have that feature on your machine, that you'll play with it and find different ways that it can enhance your quilting. Thanks for watching.